Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Dollar Tree DIY. This one's quick, easy, and so much fun. You can give these as little gifts. I'm just taking one of these LED pillar candles, and all I am doing is I am going to take this little guy and wrap him around. And all it is, this one I'm using is a Stampin' Up! Ribbon, but you could use any ribbon. So we've got that nice and placed there. You could use glue if you wanted to keep it in place. But once you have that, then we know where our face is going to go. Can you tell what we're going to do? We're going to make a little snowman. So first things first is we're going to go ahead and just give him some little coal buttons there. And then we're going to go ahead and give him a beautiful smile. And this is just a Sharpie. And then we're going to give him some eyes. You can make it a girl if you'd like. And then you're going to take another color, and I don't have an orange Sharpie, but I do have my orange Stampin' Blends, which is an alcohol marker. So I'm going to take that out, and that will stay nice as well. And we're just going to place a nose on here. And that alcohol marker will make that stick as well. And while I'm at it, since I am making her a girl, I'm going to take a nice little blush color here and give her some little blushy. Oh, that one's not. That one's too light. Let's see. This one might work a little bit better. That one's kind of light too. But we're just going to give her some little cheeks. It is very light. You might not even be able to see it, but it is showing up here. So cute. And there you go. You've got a nice little, let me cut these off. Give him a little bit of an angle there. You can move him over just a little bit. And look at how cute that is. And then when you take that off and turn it on. Oh, did I not get it good? Oh, that's the hard part. After all that, I'm going to have to replace the battery. So, all right, well, there you go. That is so cute. I love it. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. And I will talk to you later. Bye.